Last night we had something. Tonight I'll be kissing, but I don't really have a case. You don't have to miss.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you my morning cleaning routine. It changes all the time, but I'm going to be going through the rooms. Basically, this is what keeps me on track, so like I don't have to do like full whole house clean. But today I will be bringing you double the cleaning motivation because this video is in collab with Maritza from mrspazstyle. So make sure you go over and check out her channel. I'll be leaving her channel's link down in the description box. You would definitely, guys, I love her home decor. Like, she has a certain style that is it like a white, gray, and like glass furniture. It's so beautiful. I like seeing everyone's different style of decor.
Hi everyone, my name is Maritza and I'm a stay-at-home mom of a 2-year-old baby boy. I love to film a lot of different kind of videos on my channel. I love to do a lot of cleaning videos, day in the lives, shop with me videos, fashion videos, and even home decor videos. So after watching Yesenia's channel, please head over to my channel and check it out and consider subscribing. I would love to have you guys.
So I hope you go over and check her out and let her know that I sent you and that I said hi. So let's get to cleaning. So most of the time I start from top to bottom. So I always start first in my daughter's room and then I make my way down. So one of the things I do every time I come in here, I don't really do much in the boys' room because one thing I do, because my kids are older and they're old enough to do this, I come in here and I make sure to see if they made their beds, if they let their room straight before they went to school. And right now it looks just fine. Only thing I'm going to do is grab their laundry. Guys, I did laundry 2 days ago. 2 days ago. This is just the boys' laundry. I'm about to grab my daughter's and ours, and time for laundry. Never ending. So before I make my way downstairs, I wanted to wipe down my kids' bathroom because I clean my kids' bathroom continuously, like all the time. It's not as dirty. And now if I let the bathroom go, then I will have to do a deeper clean. But when I stay on top of it, only thing I have to do is just wipe down the mirrors and their countertops and wipe down their toilet.
Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. Oh, it feels so unreal. We lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. With us, nothing moves forward. It just stays the same. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Thought we stayed together, but you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you. If you think about me, are we thinking this through? If we're not meant to be and you're doubting in me, tell me what shall we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Go find some courage and just say it to my face. Say it to my face. Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. Oh, it feels so unreal. We lost all ambition, but worthy of claim.
I do try to stay on top of the laundry. I don't do laundry every day, but I do try to do laundry every other day at the very least. And because my kids change their clothes every single day, they go to school, it is a lot of laundry.
But you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you. Think about me. Are we thinking this through? If we know meant to be and
now it's time for me to clean the kitchen from the morning dishes. I do make sure that before I go to sleep at night that I leave the kitchen nice and clean, so when I wake up in the morning, I wake up to a clean kitchen, and then once the kids leave for school, I clean up the breakfast dishes.
To my face. Oh, I got to know. Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Have we changed so damn much? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about me. I've been thinking this through. Tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd live without a trace. Go find courage, go find. Say it to my face. If you think about me, I'll be thinking this through. Thinking that you know me to be. Oh, we're thinking that he. Tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd live without a trace. Some courage, go find some courage. Say it to my face.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Phrasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream.
As part of my morning routine, I always make sure to make my bed every day. There's nothing better than getting into a bed that's not wrinkly and is nicely made.
Tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Oh, like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us.
So in my dusting spray, I have 2 teaspoons of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of vinegar, water, and lemon essential oil. And that's what I've been using to dust my furniture. And it has been working very well for me.
You're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me.
I've never really been the one who's worried. Always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you.
So my bathroom counter has to be wiped down every single day. My daughter gets ready here and I do her hair in here. I have a lot of hair, so you will see a lot of my hair on the counter. And then my husband has this huge beard on his face, so he sheds hair too. So I always have to make sure I wipe everything down.
I am made to be free. Well, I am made to be free. Been thinking about myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from, was asking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me, 'cause I was made to be free.
So I hope you enjoyed this cleaning video. Don't forget to go over to Maritza's channel and check her out. I'll be leaving her channel down in the description box. And if you came over from Maritza's channel, make sure you comment down below so I can say hi. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.
Well, I am made to be free. That's my choice. What I need to be free. Still thinking how real love should feel.